How to put two tables side by side in your Word document. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to put two tables side by side in a Word document, so let's get started. First, open your Word document and insert a table with two cells. You can do this by going to the Insert tab and select the table, choosing a 1:2 table. Now in the left cell, insert a first table. You can do this by repeating the same process, and in the right cell, insert your second table. Now, you need to click on the outer border of the original table. This is important because we want to adjust its settings. Then, you need to go to the Table Design tab, click on the borders and then select Border Shading. From there, choose None to remove the borders of the original table. Finally, click OK to finalize your changes. And there you have it, your two tables are now perfectly placed side by side. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips. I'll see you in the next video.